Is it possible to generate passive income in the DeFi ecosystem? This video explains how returns can be achieved in this ecosystem and how yielding software automates the search and participation in these profitable opportunities. The DeFi ecosystem is comprised of decentralized financial applications, which means that no entity is in control of these types of financial services, but rather the members of the system themselves form a consensus to govern it. As we've already discussed in previous videos, decentralizing finances has many positive properties, including preventing fraud from centralized entities and providing speed, transparency, and consensus in transactions. In addition, passive income can be obtained for participating and collaborating in certain smart contracts of DeFi applications. Currently, there are several categories of smart contracts that offer high returns in the DeFi ecosystem. One of these categories is staking, which consists of blocking tokens in a smart contract in order to obtain returns from it. This type of smart contracts rewards users who block part of their tokens to favor the security and decentralization of the system. For example, now that Ethereum is transitioning to Ethereum 2.0, in which they implement proof of stake, users are needed to lock their tokens in smart contracts to ensure the security of the consensus algorithm. The reward obtained by mining is aimed at users who have blocked ethers in that smart contract. Another type of smart contract that gives high returns is to provide liquidity to liquidity pools. By depositing tokens to certain liquidity pools, you allow full decentralized transactions. For every transaction that takes place in the pool where you have provided liquidity, you get a small return. The new decentralized exchanges, such as Uniswap or SushiSwap, are based precisely on this concept. Can we make loans in DeFi to get returns for it? You're right. There are smart contracts in which you can deposit your tokens to lend them to other users who will pay a small interest for it. Platforms such as Compound Finance allow investment in this type of smart contracts. But how can a user choose the best DeFi smart contracts in which to deposit tokens? It is not an easy task, since there are thousands of smart contracts, whose profitability and risk constantly vary. To choose the best ones, the user has to spend a lot of time every day evaluating the best options. Luckily, at Yielding, we facilitate this process, selecting the most optimal smart contracts from the DeFi ecosystem using automatic algorithms. We offer different pre-configured products, which group various smart contracts so that the user can participate in them easily. Yielding makes software licenses available for each product, and the user chooses which of these licenses he wants to purchase. Once the user buys the license of the product that interests him, he deposits certain tokens in those products so that they are automatically distributed in the smart contracts that compose it. In this way, we save the user the laborious work of selecting the most optimal smart contracts and depositing the tokens in them. We encourage you to be part of this new revolution. Follow us and like us to learn more about DeFi. Also, you can visit the link in the video description to register on our platform and start generating passive income in the DeFi ecosystem.